I'm Marie. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you my favorite cheese ball recipe. It's called the Bacon Ranch Cheese Ball and it's delicious. These are the ingredients, and actually this takes a little bit of prep work, but it's well worth it. You'll need 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. You'll need a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 pack of dry ranch dressing mix, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 cup of pepperjack cheese, a cup and 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 2/3 cup of chopped pecans, and 6 or 7 pieces of bacon fried crisp and crumbled. So let's get started here. First we will mix the cream cheese until it gets nice and soft. And actually make sure you have this out for a little while before making anything with it, because it's really hard to handle otherwise. So once we get this in here, we'll turn this on. And let it go till it gets nice and mixed up real good. And then we'll add the sour cream, a 1/4 cup. Now I never used to make cheese balls because I always thought they were kind of putsy, but once I found this recipe, I just absolutely love it. And this is my go-to recipe for cheese balls. 1/4 cup of sour cream. And we'll mix in a full package of the ranch dressing mix. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a cup of the pepperjack cheese, and we'll put one cup of the cheddar cheese. You want to save out a couple of tablespoons to finish the outside. So I'll just put about a cup of that in there. Kind of messy when I bake, but there we go. And then we just want to mix in 1/2 of your chopped green onions. So just sprinkle about 1/2 of it in there. We want the rest of it for the outside. And then about 1/2 of your chopped bacon. Okay, so we're going to turn this up and let it get mixed up really well. Is mixed up pretty well. So when I said you can use 6 or 7 pieces of bacon, now I love bacon, so to me the more the better, but you can use your judgment on that. Okay, So when that's all mixed up, we'll try and form it into a little bit of a ball when it's in the container here, but then you'll just need to put it in some plastic wrap, shape it into a ball, and then you just set it in the freezer, or in the refrigerator, sorry. So we'll get this out and you can see what it looks like. Now, like I said, try to form it into a ball. Wrap the plastic around. And then you can just set it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours. You could do this overnight if you wanted to. And then once it's cooled and a little bit more solid, then we'll finish it up. Okay, we'll be back. So I've had the cheese ball in the refrigerator for a couple of hours now, and it should be ready to finish. All we need to do to finish it is to mix together what was left of the bacon, the cheddar cheese, and the green onion, and then we'll add the chopped pecans and stir that all together really well. And then we'll just dump that out onto a plate and spread it out a little bit, because that's what we're just going to roll this into the plate. So we're just going to take it and kind of try to roll it and get as much pressed into it as possible. Probably have a little left over, but let's try to get as much as possible, while still trying to keep it round. Okay, and like I said, you can make this the night before. This would be good for like if you're having people over for the Super Bowl or something like that, because you can make it the night before and then just roll it in the bacon and cheese and stuff just before you serve it. So there you go. And then I would just take some Ritz or some club crackers and lay it along the side of it. And you should be ready to go. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, and I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please let me know. I'll have the recipe down below. But if you try it, please just let me know. Or if you have other ideas that you would like me to try, please let me know. Next video.